Do you ever feel like investing is only for people with big money? What if I told you that in 2025, you can start investing with just $1 and actually grow real wealth over time? Yeah, you heard that right. $1 is all you need to start building your financial future. But let's talk about micro-investing. The new way everyday people are entering the world of investing without needing thousands in the bank. That micro-investing is simple. Instead of waiting until you have a lot of cash, these modern apps let you invest small amounts, sometimes even spare change from daily purchases, into stocks, ETFs, or portfolios built by experts. The best part, you don't even notice the money leaving your account, but over time, it starts working for you. Now, let's get real. There are tons of micro-investing apps out there in 2025, but only a few are worth your time. Apps like Acorns, Public, SoFi Invest, and Stash are among the most trusted and beginner-friendly options this year. They allow you to automate your investments, meaning your money grows without you needing to constantly check charts or make complicated decisions. The smartest way to use these apps is to set up automatic deposits, even $5 or $10 a week. That it's not about the amount, it's about consistency. When you invest regularly, you benefit from dollar-cost averaging, a strategy where your money buys more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. Over time, that smooths out market ups and downs and helps your portfolio grow steadily. Here's the thing most beginners miss: hidden fees. Before you jump in, check the app's monthly or transaction fees. Some charge as little as $1 a month, but that can eat into your profits if you're investing very small amounts. Always compare fees before deciding where to start. Now, let's talk about returns. That if you invest just $10 every week for a year, that's $520. That at a modest 7% annual return, you could grow that to nearly $10,000 over a decade. And that's with almost no effort. Imagine if you increase that to $20 or $50 per week as your income grows. Another bonus. Micro-investing apps are now integrating AI tools that help analyze your spending and automatically invest your spare cash in smart ways. This makes 2025 one of the easiest years in history to start your wealth journey. You don't need to be a stock expert. The apps handle that for you. So, if you've been waiting for the right time to start investing, stop waiting. Download one of these apps, set up an automatic weekly investment, and watch your money grow. Small steps today create big results tomorrow. And remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to build financial freedom over time. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. Start with $1 today and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more smart finance tips every week. Smart finance, smarter you. This is the Guru Minds.